draw whatever pattern the cat moves in underneath and just leave it there, which means that if you do a really complicated set of variables, you can draw entire fractal patterns over the course of a few seconds.
So this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Like, what is the best thing that could come out of this? Just say within the next 24 months, because we're only going to scratch the surface.
I mean, the best thing that I can see happening is for it to be publicly known that anyone who wants to offer really introductory middle school computer science can do it. It doesn't matter what school district you're in or what resources you have. That there is a tool out there that any teacher or any instructor, so in a summer camp, any context, can offer this course. But if we could get this curriculum just widely spread, widely known, I think that would be huge, particularly if nothing else, to have people starting to talk about the fact that this is, computer science as a field, is something that everyone can find a passion in, that everyone can find useful in some way, and that doesn't just look like the way we hear about it when we're in high school or in college.
It's not the X's and O's, the ones and twos and ones and zeros that people visualize of computer programming to be. It's your kids are going to be solving problems with very cool tools, and they see some really awesome results.
Pretty much all STEM fields have some degree of problem solving at the core of what they are. But I think right now, in this day and age, computers are how we solve problems. And it's how we solve the biggest problems, both in terms of their scale and in terms of their complexity. So the idea that we can expand how people think about computers and what they do and how we can use them, that is so incredibly exciting. And so the idea that we could get kids excited that this is something that they want to do. They want to look at a computer and say, I have a problem that I think I can solve using this better than I can solve just using my own hands and brain. That is creating a generation of problem solvers right there. And I think that's what we need to do right now. There's a huge demand for people who will solve problems.